Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7c and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening the contact list. Tap on contacts, and I do not have any contacts, so let me just quickly add one. Here we've got the phone number. Okay, so as I said, let's go back. Find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon and tap on this camera icon in the middle. So now you can either take a photo and your device will immediately open the camera app, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will take a photo. So let me just do that. Okay, we've got a photo, so just tap on the stick icon. And here in this step we can zoom in or out the photo, we can change the position of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So after positioning it, just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner and tap on the tick icon again. So here we've got our contact with the photo assigned. Of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.